Hello, welcome to Digix YouTube channel. So today we are going to see how to open and fix a deposit in Paytm app using Paytm payments bank account. So it's very easy to create an fix a deposit. Ideally, take maximum 2 minutes to complete all the opening and fix a deposit account in Paytm app. So kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel before proceeding. Uh, So what are the basic details needed is the Paytm bank account with KYC completed. I mean complete KYC completed. So if you are if you are not completed the KYC, then kindly proceed with the nearest KYC point, and you can able to complete the KYC using your Aadhaar card, or driving license, or an voter ID. So this is the basically Paytm payments bank accounts home page. This is an so you have on various radio buttons in the top of the app. So there is an option like fix a deposit. So you can able to click on that fix a deposit. So it will go to the next page actually. So here you can able to check what are the I mean there are various options like create fixed deposit, break your fixed deposit, and passbook, view your FD passbook, and tax management, and list of fixed deposit in the same bottom of the page. So already I have one fixed deposit for 292 rupees. Today I am going to create another fixed deposit for approximately 600 rupees. So I will go through one by one. So click on the create fixed deposit, and then it will show it will go to the next page actually. Here you can able to key in the detail like amount, so that if you need to key in an amount. So here I am entering 657. So it will show an approximate interest of 47 rupees at the rate of 7% for 12 months. So this is the time period will be automatically taken for maximum benefit offered. So to check the interest, what are the interests it is being offered, you need to click on the interest table, that blue color link. If you're able to click it, and it will proceed with the next page to how much interest I will be getting for the uh, fixed deposit I'm holding. So here see, so for the fixed deposit amount of 657, I will be getting approximately for 7 days I will be getting interest of 4%. Unlike that, they have various time duration with increasing rate of interest amount actually. So here in next page I'm showing this is the bottom of the page. So at the end of 365 days I will be getting an interest at the rate of 7% with the total interest amount of 647 rupees for the FD amount 657. So once I'm back to the home page. So click on create fixed deposit, so that you will be able to create and fix a deposit next page. So once I have clicked the FD create fixed deposit button, it will go to the success message page. That is like fixed deposit has been created successfully with the amount of this much the amount written in the words, and you can able to check the details by clicking the view details. So if I am clicking view details, it will open another page with the projected details like in from which bank account it has been created, and the interest details, and then fixed deposit number and transaction details will be showing there. So this is the page. After that, you can able to check the this is the home page of the fixed deposit page. You can able to check how much deposit which I have been opened. Earlier it was 262, now it's 949. So this is the overall process to open fixed deposit in the Paytm payments bank account. So it will take maximum 2 minutes to complete all the process. Kindly and currently this is the Paytm bank account is the only um, bank which offers around 7% interest for the your FD amount. So no other bank offers this much amount. Kindly use the facility up to 1 lakh so that it's easier. Thanks for following, thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. Fine.